What's good, YouTube? I got a banger for y'all today. Me and my boys, we was cooking up in the Pro-Am, cooking them Christmas noobs. All this was streamed live on Twitch at It's Azax, man. Pop out and show the support. Man, I love y'all. Thanks for watching the videos. Here we go. More Christmas noobs. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas, kids. You're finna get shit on. There, Birdie. Alright, I'm done trolling. Let's lock in. Let's just get these games knocked out quick so we can get Birdie ripped up. It's just straight belt to ass for the next couple hours. Take that up. He's little. Hold on. Make it then. Yep. Switch. My bad, I should have just picked up on him. He ain't making it. Switch when we get a chance, yeah. Give me that! Oh, that was my clip. It's alright, it's alright. That's still going on the YouTube. That block's got to, bro. This game's got to make it now, just because of that block. Hey, corner. Never mind. Type.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Oh, get your ass on, man.
He's still clipping it. He's still clipping it. That's how you clip, buddy. Like what? Scoreboard. Wish I'd have made that. Bye-bye. More Christmas noobs. Yes. Very much is. Even if they're started, they're probably Christmas noobs. They can grind all night and hit. Yeah, rookie's easy to get out of. With a couple wins, with their 13 wins, they can for sure get out of rookie. Or, well, obviously one of them did. He's probably played a little bit more. I think that's the starter too. No, he's starter too. It's gonna be a rough start, but it'll pick up. I think I know what I'm gonna name the video. These Pro-Am noobs, or these Pro-Am Christmas noobs are free rep. Okay, I'm selling though. Let's get a, yeah, take that up. Got to.
Hell no.
We can't lose these kids. We should never be down 3-9 to these kids. And one. One more stop. Out of bounds, yep. Yup. Missed. Good board. Bro! Good board. One more. MJ. Off. What? That's my bad, boys. I'm shooting 3 for 9. Alright, I'll get a 3. I promise. I see you. I'm gonna keep watching. We'll force it. I missed. Good board. Corner. Aw, I have no stam. Hold up. Send me a screen. I'm good now. Green. I got 10. You stick 10. Stick 10. Stick 10. Good D. Ball game. Ball game. I'll shoot 3 for 9 and step up at the end. That's alright. That's alright. It happens. Yeah. Finally. Don't ask me. No, you can. Actually, he'll probably just go paint every time. Don't switch. Never mind. Eat. Okay. Let's go, baby. Go. I can't. This is gonna be in a YouTube video. Green! Let's go. We're turned. Okay, Wade. Cool. Hee. All the way. Loader. Okay. Good shit. Games in it. Oh, okay. Cool. We good, we good. I'm trying to pass the ball, bro. No, we're good, we're good, we're good. What's the decks again? Beautiful. That was a good move. I got there. Oh. Oh. Go corner. Hey! Whew! Boy, flying. Oops. Sorry, chat. Corner 3. I was trying to pass.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Hey, come up. Screen, back door. Diddy. Back door. Back door. Wade!
Ball game.
Let's go. Type. Come back, dub.